Good evening, man. Srishan. Good evening, Srishan. Good evening, Shruti.
Good evening, sir.
How are you, ma'am? Done trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry, anything you done? Worksheet?
I have to do, sir. I will do, sir.
Yeah, you just start with any numerical which is having any doubt now, today. For you, which school you are? DAV or?
DAV Adambakam.
Oh, DAV Adambakam. Okay. Are you having worksheet?
No, sir.
I will post the question. Try to solve the first. I will show on my screen. You just try to solve the one or two questions.
Okay, sir.
Meanwhile, uh, rest of the people will join slowly.
Okay,
You can
sir.
see the worksheet, madam. You can see the worksheet.
Yes, sir. I can see.
You need revision or straight away you can start the questions.
Sorry, I can hear you, sir.
I can hear
No, I was not able to hear you, sir.
now. Now can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do first two questions. Try first two questions.
Okay, sir.
X value 90.
Ishan, yes.
Is X value 90?
No, wrong. X value is not 90. X value is 60 degrees.
How
Okay.
60 degrees?
For that, we have to go with the table first. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So first I'm going to draw the table. For only sine cos tan is enough. What are the standard angles? 0 degrees,
30 degrees,
Hmm.
45,
45,
60, 90.
60 and 90. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So sine, cos, tan. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. How to keep it in mind? This is one method. Generally, I will keep it in mind for any angles under the root. So the answer is 0. Under the root, the answer is 1 by 2. Under the root, the answer is 1 by 2. 1 by root 2. Under the root, root 3 by 2. 1. So rewriting from back to initial. So 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. And sine by cos is tan. So 0 by 1 is 0. So this is 1 by root 3. This is 1. This is root 3. This is undefined or 1 by 0. Clear? This is the table we are using. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
No. What is the first question? They gave 2 sine x by 2 is equal to 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So I'm dividing both sides with 2. What I will get? What I will get? Sine x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 only now.
Yes, sir.
So in terms of sine, where I will get 1 by 2?
30 degree.
30 degrees, correct? So this is sine 30. When can be equal both the ratios? If x by 2 is equal to 30 degrees. So from here, what is the x value? 60. How I can verify? It's very simple. Take the given question and substitute the answer here. This is 2 sine 30. So 2 into 1 by 2, 2 cancel. The answer is 1. So I'm taking LHS. So the answer is, if your answer is correct, you will get proper. I mean, like you can prove LHS is equal to RHS after substitution. It's clear? Where you done the mistake? Like confused or something?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Srishant, where you done? Like where you confused? Like feeling you got 90 or something, you different answer you got now.
Yes, sir. So I didn't take sine 30.
Then what you taken?
Wait, sir.
You took 45?
So I did 1 by 2 into 2. So 2 to cancel, sine x equal to 1.
Oh, 1 by 2
So
into 2.
sine 9.
How 1 by
Sir,
2? This 2? This is inside the sign. How you can cancel this 2 and this 2?
Sir, no, sir. Before.
See,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
got it? What I'm saying? See, if anything is inside the trigonometric ratio, it's like a single number. You should not cancel this and this.
Okay.
It's one function. It's function in the sense it is together as a single thing. It should not split. Sine we can't split from x by 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is sine of some angle. This is a number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it, Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall we go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
What is the maximum value of 1 by cos theta? 1 by cosecant theta. 1 by cosecant theta maximum. If cosecant theta is minimum because it is in denominator. Maximum means what? I can substitute 0 degrees, 1 degrees, 2 degrees, and so on. Like whatever angle I want, I can keep it inside it. Which angle will give the maximum value of this one? So I can say 1 by cosecant 0 is how much? That is 1 by 0. That is infinity or undefined. Correct or not? At 0 degrees, you will get the 1 by cosecant is maximum. Clear? Guys, is clear?
Sir, I didn't get. Sir, I didn't understand.
You didn't get?
No.
Find, the question is, find the maximum value of 1 by cosecant theta. What is this meaning? Guys, what is this meaning? Sorry guys, the previous is a little different. When this whole value can be maximum, at what angle it can be maximum? How we can say? 0 is cosecant 0 is not 0. Cosecant 0 is undefined. Sorry. Cosecant 90 is maximum. See,
1.
what is this
Okay,
meaning?
sir.
When you will get the maximum, suppose if I'm taking y is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, if theta can be substituted any angle, I can keep 0 degrees, 1 degrees, 2 degrees, 3 degrees. Correct or not? Got it what I'm saying? 1 by cosecant theta is nothing but sine theta.
Yes, sir.
1 by
Yes, sir.
cosecant is
Thank
nothing.
you.
So when sine theta is maximum, at what angle you will get the maximum value for sine? At theta is equal to 90 degrees, sine theta is maximum. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. 1. Yes, sir.
Because it is starting from 0. After that you are
Side
getting
91.
1 by 2. Again you are getting root 3 by 2. So this is 0.5. This is again 1.717 means 0.8 is coming. And 1 by root 2 is in between 0. And maximum at 90 degrees you are getting 1. Again after 90 you will get negative values that we can discuss in grade 11. So as of now at 90 is the maximum. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys, anyone, any others having any doubts? Diya, Lakshita, Amrita? Yes. Moving to the third question. Can you both everyone can try the third and fourth question? I will post here how you can do 3, 4, 5, 6. Third, how we will do? They gave tan phi theta is equal to 1.
Sir, this is deleted, right? Thank
Okay. Why? It's a
Sir,
basic.
it's
No, when you will get tan, 1 you will get. When at what angle tan of something 1 you will get.
Sir, 45, tan 45.
I can write tan phi theta can be written as instead of 1, I can write tan 45. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is also tan, this is also tan. So I can write phi theta is equal to 45. So theta is equal to how much? 9 degrees. Anyone can try the fourth one? Fourth one?
Yes, sir.
Write away table, please. Try and let me know what is the final answer. Fourth one. What the answer? So what is the given? Sine 30 by sine 45 plus tan 45 divided by secant 60 plus, sorry, minus sine 60 divided by cot 45 minus cos 30 divided by sine 90. So what is the sine 30 value? 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by, what is the secant 60 value? 2 only now. Sorry, Srishant, you are saying something? No, your voice is breaking completely. Is it right? What other thing I wrote?
Yes, sir. Correct.
What is the final answer? I can keep it like this. Root 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2 or root 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 cancel root 3. Anything is fine. Complementary angles is eliminated from syllabus. Am I right? Is there?
It's not there, sir.
I don't have math portion. Physics, I'm having deleted physics. Anyway, complementary angles is there?
No, sir.
It's deleted, sir.
It's deleted. So then we can move to some other question afterwards. Guys, is it clear? Fourth question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So try to solve the sixth question. How to do the sixth question? Anyone can explain? Tan square theta minus sine square theta is equals tan square theta into sine square theta. Simple. Take LHS, convert everything into sine and cos. This is sine square theta by cos square theta minus sine square theta. So if I'm taking sine square theta common, this will be 1 by cos square theta minus sine square theta. So what I will get? Secant square theta minus sine square theta or something. So how we can prove it? Right side also will be the same. This will be sine square theta into 1 minus sine square theta cos square theta divided by cos square theta. How we can proceed with this? Guys, anyone?
Sir, we can use the identity, sir.
No, identities also it's your wish. If you want to use the identities, you can use the identities also. What identity you are going to use to solve this one? So 1 I can written as, in place of 1 I can write this identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta. So what I will get if I am using this one? This will be sine square theta into sine square theta plus cos square theta minus sine square theta into cos square theta divided by cos square theta. If I am taking anything from here, I can take sine square theta common. Sine square theta, if I am taking sine square theta common, I will get 1 minus cos square theta plus cos square theta. What I'm getting here? Cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta can be written as
Sin square
sine square
theta.
theta again. But again, it is coming same as it is, sine power 4 theta plus cos square theta. But it is not coming as tan square theta into sine square theta. What we can do here? Which identity will helpful to solve this one? Guys, which identity will helpful here? Any idea? Anyone? How to proceed this kind of questions? Anyone done practice or busy with the examination? Guys, some replied. How to do this question? It's only 1 mark. Tan square theta minus sine square theta is equal tan square theta into sine square theta. You have to prove. No answer from anyone.
No, it is. Any alternate methods? Anyone having? Again, I'm writing sine square theta, sorry, tan square theta minus sine square theta is equal to tan square theta into sine square theta. Guys, any other things? Is it possible a plus b into a minus b? Anything cancellations will happen in that way? Sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Does it helpful? Anything? Check it.
Sir, I am doing, sir.
Tan theta minus sin theta into tan theta plus sin theta. Anything will helpful in this way? This will be sin theta minus sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta by cos theta. So what you will get? Sin square theta minus sin square theta a plus b a minus b again. Cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Cos theta into cos theta. So here, if I am taking sin square theta common, I will get 1 minus cos square theta by cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. So sin square theta into sin square theta divided by cos square theta. See, sin by cos is tan. So tan square theta into sin square theta. Simple. This is also another approach by using the algebraic identities. Always converting into sin and cos doesn't work for us. You have to keep it in mind when you are solving certain cases. Converting always sin into cos doesn't work for us. So, or here I got finally sin power 4 theta by cos square theta. And if I'm taking RHS also, sin square theta by cos square theta into sin square theta. So that is nothing but sin power 4 theta divided by cos square theta. So like this also you can say. See here the basic identity is algebra a plus b into a minus b formula you have to apply. That is important thing. Got it? What is the logic in this question?
Yes, sir.
So shall I go for the next question? Some other questions?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you do this question? So worksheet you try. If you want, you just send a message in group or to sir. We will arrange some other class after your examination. So I am giving some other question which is which they asked in 2000. CBSC 2000 paper they asked this question. That means around 20 years back. Prove that cos square theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Guys, please try it. Please try this question how to do.
Okay.
Convert, take LHS, convert and sin and cos. Try in that method.
You have to recollect the formula of a cube minus b cube formula here from algebra, then it will be easy, quite easy if you are able to use that formula. Yes, anyone got solution? How to do?
Sir,
Yes, Amruta.
what is a cube minus b cube?
Sorry, you
Can
want
you
a
do can you show a
formula?
cube minus b cube?
Formula.
Yes, sir.
A cube minus
Yes,
b
sir.
cube will be equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square.
Thank you.
Yes, if you use, you will get the answer. Anyone got the answer? Nirupama, Shruti, Diya,
So
Lakshita,
last
anyone?
step.
Yeah.
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Yeah. Let him finish. I will explain. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I think he got almost. After that, I will explain. Jishant, once done, you let me know.
Okay. Sir, got it, sir.
Yeah. It's very simple. Only the thing is basic algebra. You have to keep it in mind to solve this question. See, just I'm converting everything into sine and cos. Except tan, everything is already sine and cos. So what will happen if I'm converting this one? 1 minus sine theta by cos theta plus this is sine cube theta divided by sine theta minus cos theta. This is my LHS. If I'm taking LCM in the denominator of the first term, I will get like this. Cos square theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta divided by cos theta plus sine cube theta divided by this. I am writing as, to make the denominator same, I am writing this is as cos theta minus sine theta. Just I am
Cos minus
minus common. Got it? So this will become cos cube theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta minus sine cube theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta. So both the denominators are same. I can write cos cube theta minus sine cube theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. So your numerator is looking like a cube minus b cube. So if I am applying the a cube minus b cube formula here, it is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this will be cos theta minus sin theta into cos square theta plus cos theta into sin theta plus sin square theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. So this whole thing I can able to cancel. I know cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1.
Sir, cos 1.
1 plus remaining is cos theta into sin theta. So this is my RHS. Clear, guys? What is the logic in this question? Anyone having any doubt, anywhere confusion or anything?
Understood, sir.
So one more question like this. Shall we? They asked in 2001. 2001, CBSC 2001 question. Shishan, his voice is completely breaking. Prove that.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, now somewhat better. You're trying to say
Okay,
something?
sir. Sir, no, sir.
1 minus sin theta plus cos theta whole square will be equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta 1 minus sin theta. Do this question, everyone. Try to solve this question. This is not cube, it is a square. This is a square. I can give clue. Anyone got the answer?
Sir, please give us a clue, sir.
How many of people know a plus b plus c whole cube formula here?
Sir, we don't know, sir.
Guys, algebra. A plus b plus c whole cube, whole square, not cube, sorry. whole square. A plus B plus C whole square formula from algebra. A plus B plus C whole square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. This is like A plus this whole thing is B plus this is C. Got it? So 1 square plus minus sine theta whole square plus cos square theta plus 2 into 1 into minus sine theta plus 2 into minus sine theta into cos theta plus 2 into 1 into cos theta or 2 cos theta into 1 to AC or CA. So this will become 1 minus sine square theta, sorry, minus of minus plus sine square theta plus cos square theta plus this will become minus 2 sine theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta plus 2 cos theta. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sorry, correct, 1. So this will be 1 plus 1 minus 2 sine theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta plus 2 cos theta. So I'm taking this whole thing is 2. I'm taking 2 common. If I'm taking 2 common, 1 minus sine theta minus sine theta cos theta plus cos theta. See, if you look into the equation, factorization concept is important. This is one term. From here, I am taking cos theta common. So 2, 1 minus sine theta minus cos theta if I am taking common. No, I'm taking what I want. It's a plus or minus inside. Yes, plus. Then I'm taking plus cos theta. If I'm taking plus cos theta, from here 1, from here minus sine theta. See here, this is first term 1 minus sine theta and again 1 minus sine theta is common. So 2 into, if I'm taking 1 minus sine theta common, 1 plus cos theta. This is one method. Another method is you solve up to here. This is your LHS. And you expand this one. You will get the same value as LHS. Got it? What is the second method? Or I want to explain. These are all 3 marks they will come if they are willing to give. It's a logical based question. Integration of algebra. Guys, clear or am I confusing too much?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Got it, sir.
So there are 2 methods. You can take LHS, do up to what I marked, again take RHS and expand, you will get LHS is equal to RHS. That is also one more method. So shall I go for one more question like this? Will you try?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's looking like your textbook question only. Uh, try by your own if it is possible. Looks like your textbook question only. They asked in 2001. If A cos theta minus B sin theta will be equal to C, prove that A sin theta plus B cos theta, A sin theta plus B cos theta is equal to plus or minus square root of A square plus B square minus C square. This is given and I have to prove this one. The hint was
Just a second. Yeah. Oh, one second, guys. A sin theta plus a sin theta minus b sin theta. Yeah. The hint was just add a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square plus a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square. From here, you can able to solve the question easily. Try. You apply a minus b whole square plus a plus b, like a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square formula, expand, and you know a cos theta minus b sin theta is how much. Substitute that respective value and apply the identities. You will get the answer finally. Just try it, guys, everyone. Guys, I can do. Anyone got proof?
No, sir.
Yeah. So look at here. This is a very like complete logical based question. First, we expand this one. A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta. So 2ab sin theta cos theta, 2ab sin theta cos theta can cancel. So I'm taking a square cos square theta, a square sin square theta. If I'm taking a square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. If I'm taking b square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So this whole thing is 1. This also 1. So finally I'm getting a square plus b square. This is my equation 1. So if I'm expanding, I'm getting this is like a square plus b square. If I'm not expanding, I'm taking the same expression. What other thing I took? A A cos theta minus B sin theta whole square plus A sin theta plus B cos theta whole square. I'm not expanding, but I know this value is C. That is according to given data. What is the given data? A cos theta minus B sin theta is C. So if I'm writing this one, I'm getting this is C square plus A sin theta plus B cos theta whole square. So this is my equation 2. Equation 1 also represents same with expansion. Equation 2 without expansion. So I can say equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Two different forms. So C square plus A sin theta plus B cos theta whole square is equals A square plus B square. Take the C square that side. A sin theta plus B cos theta whole square is equals A square plus B square minus C square. Take root on both sides. If I'm taking root on both sides, A sin theta plus B cos theta is equals plus or minus under the root A square plus B square minus C square. This is only my required expression. Guys, it's clear how much logic is inside?
Oh, yes, sir.
Very rare they may ask the questions like this. So we have to prepare for everything. However the question paper it was, we have to attend. So these things will comes under category 3 questions. Like we are having 3 categories. We are having 3 categories. They may ask the questions from 3 levels. I will show you the 3 categories, how they will ask the questions. So these are the 3 categories. Demonstration, knowledge, application. There are the question: analyze, evaluate, and create. Interpret, analyze, compare, contrast, examine, evaluate, discuss, and construct. It will comes under the third category. There is a chance of asking 32% from that. So, like once we are like perfect with the concepts, we have to try for a little bit higher level. Why I'm giving this kind of numericals?
Yes, sir.
So anything we can do from worksheet again? Can you try the 11th question from worksheet? 11th question from the worksheet. Try everyone. 10th one is easy. Direct substitution from the table. Try the 11th question, everyone. Sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Prove that cos square x plus cos power 4x is equal to 1. Whole square on both sides and try. Take the given data, whole square on both sides and try. That's a clue.
Sir, got it, sir.
Can you post it in the group? I will share here.
Oh, 1 second, sir. Sir, should I post it in the maths group, sir?
You post it in group, not a problem.
Okay,
We'll take
sir.
from that.
Okay, sir. Sir, I sent it.
Yeah, I'm taking. So one of the simplest way, only the thing is our mind need to click when the by seeing the question, what is given, what I require. It's very simple. She done. She used the identity. She took both LHS and RHS because we can use the whole statement, and we have to prove this statement is also true. So one she written as sine square x plus cos sine square theta s. This is also x second, right? So sine square x and square x cancel. So sine x is equal to cos square x. So this is the identity she in x. This can be written as sine square x because cos power 4x will be equal to cos square whole square. So we already given sin x plus sin square x is 1. So from here she proved like this. It's very simplest method to get the full marks. Got it, guys? How to approach the questions in trigonometry if in case of little bit like a logical based questions. Practice. One important thing is basic practice is required. Not only doing the same question is not important here. A different kind of questions you have to approach. I done so many times same kind of questions. So that is not required for now onwards. You do the questions and take the new questions from different books or different sources, mainly from examination point of view questions you have to gather. Recent years, they are not much tough. If you go back a little bit previous years, you can see the standard papers nicely. Is it clear, guys? So my humble request: go through the worksheet. If you don't have anybody doesn't have the worksheets, please post in the group. The sir or ma'am, anyone will share the worksheet to you people. And next class, practice and come back. We'll sit on trigonometry and application trigonometry. If requires, Sunday also or whenever you people are free, we'll sit one more class on trigonometry. Okay, shall I wind up the class? Please practice and come. It will be easy to discuss the doubts and more number of questions.
Okay, sir.
So
We'll meet in next class. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.